What's the meaning of BA? VA. VA.
BA. BA. BA stands for Bachelor of Arts, which is an undergraduate degree awarded to students who have completed a bachelor's program in the arts, humanities, social sciences, or other non-technical fields. The degree usually takes 3 to 4 years of full-time study to complete and requires the completion of a certain number of courses in the chosen field of study. A BA degree is often considered a stepping stone to further education or to help secure employment in fields such as education, journalism, publishing, law, or the arts.